Hello there, this is a quick video about a box I picked up off of eBay a few weeks ago. It's a box which I believe come with the IBM personal computer P300 series or PC 300 series. So I just thought I'd just show you some of the things that would normally come in this pack. I believe it is complete, so let's just dive straight into it. So this will be an American package. So the first thing you get is IBM mouse mat, which with the IBM Help Center telephone number, which I believe that is a American telephone number as opposed to UK. The registration card for Windows. These machines come pre-installed with Windows as well as OS2 Warp. A license for Netfinity 2.01. So just lots and lots of bits and pieces about that's been pre-installed. So that's the user's guide. Installing your options book for the personal computer PC 300 series. Then using your personal computer PC 300 series Pentium system. Also have it's described as a pre-installed system notice, so it's shrink wrapped. There's, you can see there's probably about 4 different booklets in there. So typically they never got shipped with diskettes or CDs or anything like that. It was all built into the system, and then particularly in terms of Warp, you had to then go through utility to actually build the recovery CDs or recovery discs at the time. Then we have a certificate of authenticity for Windows, and this was quite normal for IBM. They always gave away these books, the user's guide for IBM PC DOS and Microsoft Windows, and those all written by Q. I saw that for quite a few of the systems. And then right at the very back you have how to set up your computer. Some more information about your pre-installed software, and again a program license agreement and license information. I've not seen any of these ever shown on YouTube, and these do very rarely turn up, so it is quite interesting. I thought to share it. I hope you enjoyed it, so thanks for watching.